I'm never having Seamoss the same again. We changing the game with this one. I'm gonna show y'all how to make a latte, and if you from the Caribbean, a porridge, and if you Rastafari, a rich age. Cause we don't do no porking, we in the rich age. We don't do no porking, we in the rich age.
Timeless. Time. Swim yourself to the time. Still in a baby, I just want to close your eyes and imagine that you're with me on the Long Island of paradise.
Yeah. Rastafaro. Blessings of wholeness, family. Welcome back to Almost Alkaline Kitchen, where everything we do is almost alkaline, but it's a whole lot of healing, where we got microwaves, but we don't be using them. And today I'm going to show y'all how to make the drink that's shutting down the fall and winter time. This is legendary. You may not make Seamoss the same again. The best part about it, it only needs 3 ingredients. Let's get to it. Plant-based milk of your choice, our Inner Fire Seamoss blend. Sweetener of your choice, I chose organic maple syrup because I'm in Canada. That's all you really need. But I'm going to turn it up a level with this maca. So we're going to start off by heating up our milk, and once it is hot, not boiling, we're going to add our Inner Fire Seamoss powder blend. And for the liter that I put in here, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons. Now be very mindful. It may not look like a lot, but this is going to turn to gel. So if you're making 1 mug worth or 1 cup worth, then you may only use half a teaspoon. It's the high grade, y'all. And I'm telling y'all, get you a frother. You don't need one, but this adds to the creaminess and the texture, and it changed my life. Then I added 1 teaspoon of maca, and we good to go. Now, as y'all can see, the maca still has clumps in it, but the Seamoss powder, it blends with whatever you put it in so easy. It's such a fine powder, so easy to use. Add sweetener to your desired level of sweetness, and then you froth it up, blend it up, make it nice and creamy, y'all. And then pour it up in something organic or glass, hopefully. And then it's time to full joy. Give thanks. That is divine. It smells like Fruit Loops, and it tastes like a warm hug on a cold fall evening. I'm telling y'all, this is changing the game. And why is this so potent? 1, it's so easy to make. 2, you're getting all the high-grade healing goodness of Seamoss in this drink. Like, y'all don't understand. I'm gonna show y'all the rest of what we made, and it's gonna turn to a gel. So right now it's like you drinking gel, and y'all ain't gotta go through the process of making gel no more. Me personally, I haven't made gel in a while. I'm in love with this. And this right here is a superstar Inner Fire Seamoss powder blend. It contains powdered sea moss, powdered sweet bay leaf, and powdered cinnamon. There's so many healing benefits of this. It's Inner Fire because it warms you up from the inside. It's an aphrodisiac, so it's gonna elevate that passion. But that blood flow increasing benefit that it has, I personally use it to help me with as a pre-workout, and the Seamoss is gonna help you with your recoveries. So this is a great aid for your workouts. And then for men, it also increases the potencies of your erection. So if you can switch this for wine, drink this, it's gonna change the game. And for women, this is also game changing because sweet bay leaf is very beneficial for your menstrual cycle. If you feel any pain, any cramps, it's gonna help ease that pain so your cycle comes easier. And if you have PCOS and you're struggling with insulin resistance that's causing your testosterone to be high and then increasing those symptoms, this right here is gonna help with the cinnamon in here. It's gonna help regulate the insulin levels, and it helps with that insulin sensitivity. So this right here is the Inner Fire Seamoss blend, a game changer, y'all. And this right here, I'm gonna call it the Inner Fire Porridge or Rich Age, whatever you call it. All I know is that this is that high grade healing, and I give thanks. Like when you drink it, I'm almost kind of sweating when I'm drinking it because it's just increasing that blood flow. It's divine. So for y'all to be aware of how much Seamoss you're really drinking in this drink, 2 teaspoons in 1 liter of liquid fully turns into a gel. Ooh! Passed the Dairy Queen test. So this right here is a gel. So you really drinking a gel. And if you ever just want to make a gel, you could utilize this. It's so easy. And it's pretty vibey because you could either reheat this up or you could just scoop it. You could put this in the gel in the fridge, and then you could just take scoops of this, and that's your Seamoss fix for the day. Your thanks. And that's just the beginning of what you can do with the blend. I had someone tell me they put it in some pancakes and they had the whole family like, yo, Pops, when the pancakes gonna be ready? It's smelling up the house. It smells way too good right now. So give thanks for tuning in to Almost Alkaline Kitchen. Sending y'all so much love, balance, and high grade healing vibes. Ja Rastafaro.